Hello guys, good evening. This is Clevenger's apparatus from Don High School. We arrange this set like this, and we are extracting oil from the eucalyptus. So you can see the oil from the eucalyptus is coming extracted. You can see some 10 ml we got it. So this is how we extract the oil from the eucalyptus. It is boiling, you can see the boiling of the eucalyptus leaves, and we are extracting. The students from Don High School started extracting the eucalyptus oil from through the Clevenger's apparatus, and you can see the eucalyptus oil. Still they are drying the eucalyptus leaves. So we will be extracting all these eucalyptus oil from these leaves.